Okay. See, 14th question. A good question. What we can say here, inequality will come. Inequality question. If z is a complex number such that imaginary part of z is non-zero, that means see, at one go I want to write something. Observe carefully here. Let z I am taking as x plus iy. Why I am taking x plus iy? A plus iy I don't want to take. Why? Because already a has come here. If I take here inside a plus iy, then we are going to get confusion. That is why I have taken z is equal to x plus iy. See, in this x is a real part and y is imaginary part. What he is mentioning, z is a complex number such that imaginary part of z is non-zero. That means see, y is not equal to 0. Y may be negative or positive, but it should not be 0. Okay? We don't know. Y is maybe negative or positive, but it should not be 0. Okay. Another one you see. A is equal to z square plus z plus 1. Now I am writing, you see, A is equal to z square means see, x plus iy square plus x plus iy plus 1. This is real. A belongs to real. A belongs to real means what? Imaginary part of A is equal to 0. Okay, see, in Z, imaginary part is not 0, but in A, imaginary part is 0. This is the concept you have to understand. Okay? Now let us find imaginary part in this. See, A is equal to, see, square you have to do. That means see, x square plus I square y square plus 2ixy. Okay, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Plus x plus iy plus 1. Okay, that is equal to okay, see, I square means minus 1, x square minus y square. Okay, again real part, x plus 1 plus x plus 1, this is real part, plus I, imaginary part I am writing. See, this has become real part already. I, 2xy, okay, plus y. Okay, see, implies I am keeping this is equal to a. You understand this, how it has come? That means finally a value is this one. In this a value, imaginary part is 0, they are mentioning. Okay, imaginary part is 0, directly they have not mentioned. A is real. A is real means imaginary part is 0. Imaginary part is 0 means what we are going to do? See what I am doing. 2xy plus y equal to 0. This is imaginary part. Okay? Now take common. Y into 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Why? Because it's 2xy plus y. Okay? See, y is equal to 0. Is it correct? No. Why? Because here clearly they have mentioned y is not equal to 0. Imaginary part of this is not 0. Y is not 0. That means see, y is not 0. See, when y is not 0, to become this 0, 2x plus 1 should be 0. 2x plus 1 should be 0. Then 2x should be minus 1, x should be minus 1 by 2. Okay, x should be minus 1 by 2. This x value substitute in A. A is where? Here. A is this one, you know. Why? Because this has become 0. Now, A is equal to, see, x square minus 1 by 2 square minus y square plus, not plus, minus 1 by 2 only. Minus 1 by 2. Why? Because it is plus x, but x value is minus. Plus 1. Okay? And imaginary part I am not writing. Why? Because imaginary part is 0. That 0 we need not write. Okay? A value is this one. They are asking a value cannot be these values. What are those values like they are asking? We will see what is that concept and all. Okay, now you see A is equal to, you see, 1 by 4 it is going to become 1 by 4 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus y square. Or else A is equal to, you see, 1 plus 4, 5 by 4. 5 by 4 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 square. Or else A is equal to, you see, if you make this as 4 LCM, then 5 minus 2 3. Okay. See, 10 minus 4, 6. 6 by 8. 6 by 8 or 2 3s, 2 4s. 3 by 4. Okay. See, a is equal to 3 by 4 minus y square. See how I am writing. Now, crucially, you have to observe here. What? Because otherwise you are not going to get that answer. See what I want to write. Y square is equal to 3 by 4 minus a. Shall I write like this? Y square I have sent this side, a we have sent that side. Okay. Now see, clearly they are mentioning that y is not equal to 0. If y is not equal to 0, if y may be greater than 0 or y may be less than 0. In both cases, y square is greater than 0. You accept? Yes, definitely. Why? Because see, y greater than 0 means 2. 2 square, 4. Y less than 0, minus 2. Minus 2 square, plus 4. Again, okay, that means greater than 0. Okay, now, if that is the case, y square is greater than 0. Y square is greater than 0 already is there. That means, see, this is greater than 0. To make this greater than 0, a value should be what? 3 by 4 minus a. 3 by 4 minus a should be greater than 0 to make y square greater than 0. What? You are not going to make y square greater than 0. Already y square is greater than 0. We know. Why? Because see, y square is greater than 0 means here say plus 2 is there. To come plus 2, 3 by 4 minus a should be greater than 0. 2 means greater than 0. Okay, see, now come back here. See, that means see 3 by 4 minus a should be greater than 0, or else 3 by 4 should be greater than a, or else a should be less than 3 by 4. If you reverse it, a should be less than 3 by 4. A should be less than 3 by 4 means minus 1, can it come? Yes. Okay. 1 by 3, can it come? Yes. Okay. 1 by 2, yes. Okay. 3 by 4, no. Why? Because 3 by 4 comes means this is going to become 0. 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4, 0. But y square should be greater than 0. That is why this should not be. But we require this answer. Understand? X cannot take the value. This value, x, a cannot take. This value cannot take. Understand? Let us go for next question.